Hey you guys, it's Petra, Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin here. And I just wanted to make some little snippets on different hair patterns because I think that, when it comes to raw hair, I just want to really educate you guys that on our site, you may see like a really deep wave and it's listed on the body wave. But because this hair is sourced from single donors, my body wave hair, my natural body wave hair may be different from someone else's natural body wave hair. So I just wanted to come to you guys to kind of show you some of the patterns. So this would be one of our natural body wave patterns right here. So I'm just going to show you the difference. Like they're similar, but they're not identical. So sometimes when you order more than one bundle, I try my best to get you similar bundles, but they don't get so exact matchy. Then the closure up front are really maybe off from these, but once you blend them together, I think you get a really nice pattern. So that's our body wave right there, you guys. Thank you for watching. Mwah.